Now let us look at the next question. Question number 23. So far we have seen two categories of questions that can come under analogy. One is the word analogy and the next is the alphabet based analogy. Now we are going to see the third kind of questions that can come under analogy, namely number based analogy questions. Now let us look at this question number 23. 145 is to 12 is the same as 257 is to what? This is a fairly simple one because we wanted to start with a simple one so that we can understand the concept and apply it to more difficult ones. 145 is to 12, what is the connection? Now if you look at it, the square of 12 is 144. All of us know square of 12. Now 145 is the square of 12 plus 1. 144 plus 1 is 145. So the first number is the square of the second number plus 1. In the same way, 257 is to what? What is the square of 16? 16 square, all of us know, is 256. So 256 plus 1 is 257. So coming to the second part of the question, it is 257 is to 16. So the answer is option D, 16. 145 is to 12 is the same as 257 is to 16. Now let us go to the next question. Question number 24. 5 is to 30 is the same as 7 is to what? 5 and 30, what is the connection? Obviously 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 6s are 30. Can we apply that? 7 into 6 in the same way, 7 into 6 must be 42. We can apply that, there is nothing wrong. But if you look at the options, there is no option called 42. The options are 54, 49, 52, 50, 56. So 42 is not the option. So obviously the established connection, namely we have established a connection 5 into 6 is equal to 30. That is not correct. There is some other relationship. We have to delve deep to find out what is the relationship. 5 and 30, if you look very closely, you will find 5 square is 25. 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. So 5 and 30, the connection is, one of the possible connections is 5 square plus 5 is 30. Now let us apply it to 7. What is 7? 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49 plus 7, 56. Let us look at the options. Yes, option D, we have 56. Therefore, the connection is 5 square plus 5 is equal to 30. In the same way, 7 square plus 7 is equal to 56. So the answer is option D, 56. This is taken from SSC CISF 2011 exam. Now let us go to the next question. Question number 25. 83 is to 25 is the same as 29 is to what? 83 is to 25. If you compare these two numbers, 25 is less than 83. Then 29 is to what? What are the options? Look at the options. Options are 44, 49, 40, 63 and 53. All the options are more than 29. Therefore, the relationship is something unusual. So we will have to find out what is the relationship between 83 and 25. Let us see the working. Question number 25. 83 is to 25 is the same as 29 is to what? Now let us look at 83 and 25. 25, all of us know, is the square of 5. 25 is equal to 5 square. Does 5 has got any relationship between 8 and 3? 83 or 8 and 3? If we look closely, we will find the difference between 3 and 8 is 5. And the square of it is 25. Now the logic is find the difference between the first two numbers and you will get the answer. Let us check. What is the difference between 2 and 9? It is 7. So 7 square must be 49. Do we have an answer? 49? Yes, we have an answer, 49. The correct answer is 49. Let us look at the options. Option B, 49. This question is taken from SSC CGL Tier 1 exam 2011. The logic is find the difference between the first two numbers, square it, you will get the second number. For question number 25, option B, 49 is the answer. Now let us look at the next question. Again, this is based on numbers. Given a set 8, 36, 64, choose the set which is similar to the given set from the following. They have given a large group of numbers. We will do the working. Question number 26. The given set is 8, 36, 64. We have to establish connection between these three numbers. The obvious connection is 8 square is 64 straight. There is no problem. Very easily one can detect this. Now what is 36 now? Now you will find 36 is in between 8 and 64. Half of 64 is 32. Half of 8 is 4. 32 plus 4 is 36. Therefore 36 is calculated by 64 plus 8 divided by 2. The logic of the number is, the first number is squared and written in the third place. Then we find the average between the first number and the third number and write it in the middle. If this is the logic, then which of the answer must be the correct answer? Let us look at the options. 6, 20, 36. Yes, 6 square is 36. Agreed. So the middle number is wrong. B, 7, 28. We need not even consider because 28 is not the square of 7. C, 12, 78, 144. 12 square is 144. Agreed. 144 plus 12 is 156. Divided by 2, it is 78. Yes. This logic is followed in option C. Let us continue further. We will not jump to the conclusion now. Let us conclude and test all other options also. D, 9, 40, 80. And 9 square is 81. And the last third number here in option D is 80. Therefore, the logic is not followed. Then coming to E, 13. Again, the last number is 196. The option is not followed. So the only option in which the logic is followed is option C, 12, 78, 144. And the correct answer is option C, 12, 78, 144.